Home of the Brave by Catherine Applegate, Part 3. One doesn't forego sleeping because of the possibility of nightmares. African proverb. Cowboy. In ESL class, we learn a new game called interview. Miss Hernandez says it makes us more confident when we use our English words. Plus, it's a good way to learn about our classmates. First, we have to hold a cardboard tube and pretend that it's something called a microphone to make our voices loud. I saw one once on the TV machine with a lady singing into it. She howled like a sick animal till my ears wanted to run away. I'm the first to go. I have to stand up and say 5 sentences. I say, I have a new job. I help Lou with her farm. She has a cow, 3 goats, many chickens, and a pig. I will go there after school sometimes and on the days named Saturday and Sunday. Lou says I can name the cow. I take a deep breath. I'm weary for my long speech. Next comes the interview part. That is where each student asks you a question. If they run out of questions, then the teachers can help. Nishan is first. Why does the cow not have a name? I take another deep breath. I like the questions best, with yes or no for an answer, but this time I'm not so lucky. Lou says her husband called the cow the cow. She didn't think that was such a right name. Very good answer, Keck, says Mr. Franklin. Aisha is next. You could call the cow Mr. Franklin. The class thinks this is a good joke, and there is much laughing. She's a girl, so she needs a girl name, I explain. Now each person has an idea for a name. This isn't exactly how to play interview, but the teachers don't seem to mind. Miss Hernandez writes the names on the board. Some are very silly. Mr. Franklin, Milkshake, Miss Rodriguez, Keck Jr., Kitty Kitty, Salama, Rover, Chiku, Angelita, Zlata, Big Mac. When they're done, Mr. Franklin asks me if I have a name in mind. I think for a moment. We have a word in my language, I say, gall. And what does it mean? Mr. Franklin asks. I feel my face heat. It means family, I say. Miss Hernandez says it's up to me, but I say I would like to have a vote because Miss Hernandez taught us that's how things are decided in America. We vote. Gall wins. Hamburger gets 2 votes. Nice job, Cowboy, Mr. Franklin says when I sit down at last. The rest of the day, everyone calls me Cowboy. It's a good day. The cow has a new name, and I have one too.